I call this exercise mindful swallowing. I want you to grab some water and take a drink. And as you swallow, I want you to feel the muscles in your throat work together to massage those cords. And as you feel the pull of gravity of the water sink into your stomach, I want you to allow the stress and tension from your forehead and from your eyebrows and your cheeks and your jaw and your chin and your neck, your shoulders and your chest to sink into the pelvic floor. And I want you to drink some water, and I want you to repeat this action until you feel complete and total relaxation with all of the weight and attention that you hold now settled into the pelvic floor. I am Simple Sin's opera singer and your favorite voice coach. And if you enjoyed this practical exercise to vocal technique, please visit my website at SimpleSinsMusic.com/shop and pick up a copy of my Singing Made Simple online voice class today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, Simple Sins Voice Coach. Thank you so much for listening.